Hello everyone. This is lecture 1 class 9 subject English. In this lecture we are going to discuss chapter 3 The Little Girl of Beehive. Now let's have a look on the introduction of the chapter. As the title suggests, The Little Girl. The story refers to the main character that we will come across, the little girl named Kezia. The theme of the story is the relationship between children and their parents, and the writer, Catherine Mansfield, wants to tell us that children share a very important bond of love with their parents. So, this story is about the relationship between parents and their children, that how the children, when they grow up, their feelings, their emotions gradually changes in the perspective of their parents. Although when children are small, when they are young, they do not feel that their parents love them because their parents are strict. Usually it happens with everyone that when children are small and when they are young, they feel like they are bonded with so many rules and regulations, and they also feel that their parents are strict, and many actions of the parents seems unjustified. That means they did not find their parents' action as fair according to them. But as children grow up, they realize that all the acts done by their parents were beneficial for them. But when they grow up, gradually they realize that the strictness and the harshness that were done by their parents were actually fruitful for them only. The parents were concerned for them, and beneath the strictness lies a heart full of love for the children. That means the parents who showed strictness, beside the strictness or beneath the strictness, there is always a heart full of love. And this bond of love between parents and their children has been highlighted through this story. The summary of the chapter. Kezia was a little girl. She feared her father. That means the little girl Kezia was afraid of her father. She thought that her father was like a giant, was like a beast. He had big hands and a big neck, like a giant. His mouth was also very big. She always avoided him. She thought that he was very cruel. That means she felt relieved. She always wanted to avoid meeting him, and whenever she used to look towards him, it appeared to him as if he was a giant who had big hands, who had a big neck, and his mouth was also very big. And she usually avoids him. And she also thought that he was very cruel. Kezia's father worked in an office. He went to an office in the morning, and before going, he went to the little girl's room. He gave her a casual kiss. That means that was the daily routine of her father, that before going to office, he usually goes to Kezia's room and gave her a casual kiss. The father went to the office in a carriage, and when her father left, she felt relieved when he went out of the house, as his presence made her uncomfortable out of fear, and sometimes she used to stammer in front of her father, whereas while with others she used to talk normally. So she felt very happy when the father had gone. In the evening, the little girl's father, that means Kezia's father, came back after working. He spoke loudly in the house, and when he used to speak loudly in the house, Kezia feared her father's loud voice. Then her mother would ask her to go and take off his shoes. So when her father used to come back, he used to speak to everyone loudly, and hearing such a loud voice, she used to get scared. and that time only her mother would ask her to go and take off his shoes. And when she entered his room, he looked at her sternly, and when Kezia used to enter his room in order to take off his shoes, he even looked at her sternly in anger. And Kezia thought that her father was a hard-hearted person, as he never spoke softly. He was always found shouting in the house. So the little girl used to get scared of her father all the time, except on Sunday afternoons when his father and his mother would probably sit in the drawing room, and his father would be found snoring as he used to take rest that time. One day, Kezia. Now what happened? In the house only there was one person who wanted that the relationship between Kezia and her parents should improve. That person was Kezia's grandmother only, and she wanted that Kezia should talk to her parents more. And one day, what happened? In the coming week, that means in the next week, it was Kezia's father's birthday, and she advised Kezia to make a present for her father that will perhaps improve their relation. So one day Kezia thought about it and made a pin cushion. She wanted to present it to her father on his birthday. So she made a pin cushion and she wanted it to present it to her father on his birthday, which was in the coming week. Now she needed paper to stuff the pin cushions. She needed something to stuff it inside. She found some sheets of paper in her father's room, and when she entered her mother's bedroom, she found some papers. They were lying on the table. Now she tore the sheets to stuff the pin cushion without even knowing that what all papers were. She just tore them and stuffed inside the pin cushion. And those papers actually belonged to her father. Her father had written an important speech on them. So they were official papers, they were really important for her father, which Kezia was totally unaware of, and she did not even confirm it once from any member in the house whether she could use those papers or not. As she was a small girl, so she found the papers, she tore them and just stuffed it inside the pin cushion only. Now what happened when her father get to know about those papers, that they were tear off by Kezia only, without knowing the fact, without knowing the reason that why did she do that. He was angry with her and he took a stick and beat her severely. So when her father was angry, as he could not find the papers on which he had written the speech to be given to the port authority next day, the papers were really important, the papers were really confidential for her father. He told her not to touch anything that did not belong to her. Kezia wept bitterly. She was crying bitterly, and as she was beaten up, and before that also she was not having a tender relationship with her father, so she wondered why God had made fathers. Now she trembled even at the sight of her father. Sight means as soon as she used to see her father, she used to tremble, she used to shiver in fear, as when he got angry and beat her severely, she could not handle that thing that made her more fear, that filled her mind with more fear, with more scared for her father only. One day when she was looking outside through the window, she saw one family and she used to get jealous from her. That family was Mr. McDonald's family. The little girl, one day when she saw that her neighbor Mr. McDonald, he was playing with his children and they all looked very happy. when she used to see them that Mr. MacDonald used to play with his children. The children were very happy and they were having a tender relationship with their father. But Kezia's father never played with her. Now she was jealous of the happy family living next door, that is Mr. MacDonald, his wife, and 5 children. And he was always playing with his children when he was free. They were laughing and enjoying each other's company. That is when Kezia realized that there were different kinds of fathers, and she thought that there were different kinds of fathers and only her father was very cruel. So she was having another kind of perspective that there are different kind of fathers made by God on this earth and her father only was very cruel. So when she saw Mr. MacDonald playing with children happily, carrying them over their shoulders, she used to get jealous. After a few days, now what happened? Kezia's mother became ill and her grandmother took her to hospital. Then she was left alone in the house with her nurse. So no one was there as her mother was ill. She was hospitalized and her brother and her grandmother was with her mother only. So Kezia was a little girl, so she was not there in the hospital. She was alone in the house with the nurse. Now, as her mother was hospitalized, she had to sleep alone in her bedroom. And the same night, she had a horrible dream. She was a little girl and was not habitual of sleeping alone. Then what happened? That night, the same night, she had a horrible dream. She was not sleeping when her nurse was forcing her to sleep, and somehow when she slept she had a horrible dream. See, what was the dream? She saw that there was a butcher with a knife, butcher who used to severely kill the animals. So she was terrified. She gave a loud cry and she screamed aloud when she saw that horrible dream. Her father came into her bedroom. Hearing her scream, obviously no one else was there in the house except the nurse and her father. So her father came into her room. He lifted her and took her to his own bed. He lifted her up and took her to his own bed, and she lay beside her father. That was the first time that she was so close to her father. And it was really strange, it was really unbelievable for Kezia to see that face of her father, as every time she used to see him speaking loudly, shouting on every family member. But that night there was a different face of his father which appeared in front of her. He was tired when she was lying beside her father. She was full of thoughts. She was full of things. He was tired and so he fell asleep before her. As he was tired, so he fell asleep before her. She was lost in thoughts, and obviously she was lost in thoughts. She thought that he had to work hard every day. He came in the evening. Then he was too tired to play with her. Now she was analyzing everything, that see, he fell asleep now. That means he is really so tired that he cannot play with me every evening. So she thought that it was her fault to tear those important papers, as she realized that she should have consulted at least one from any member of the family. She realized that her father was not bad and he also had a big and loving heart. And she told him that he had a very big heart. Though his father was asleep, he could not hear, but at least she expressed her feelings, her loving feelings for her father that night. So this was about the chapter, the relationship, which showed the different phases that the relationship between parents and children goes on. And the parents are somehow strict, some way strict to us, but they never meant anything wrong. There is always a hidden loving heart for their children. Chapter highlights. Key points of the chapter. Kezia was afraid of her father and stammered in his presence. Stammer means that she used to speak by breaking words. Her grandmother encourages her to get to know her parents better in their free time on Sundays. She suggested Kezia to make a pin cushion as a gift for her father on his birthday. It was the encouragement and motivation of her grandmother only to make one present for her father. Then she made a pin cushion, filled it by tearing papers found on her mother's bedroom table. Kezia's father punished her for tearing off the pages as those were some important papers. Then Kezia was jealous of the MacDonald family because the father played with his children. Then one day Kezia was left alone when her mother was hospitalized as she was ill. And that night she had a nightmare while asleep. She woke up in fright. She was really scared and was trembling in fear and found her father by her bedside, with whom she used to scare every time. Her father took Kezia to his own bed to comfort her and he slept off as he was tired. So Kezia was lying beside her father only and he slept off as he was too tired. But Kezia was lost in thoughts, and that night Kezia realized that her father was lovable and had a big heart. That night she realized that her father was lovable and had a big heart. So this was about the chapter 3. Now your homework is read the chapter carefully and solve textual questions of part 2 and 3. You are supposed to solve the questions, all the questions of part 2 and 3 in your English Fair notebook. Write the chapter number, author's name, date, then question and then answer. After each and every answer, draw margins with pencil and scale only.